now we move on to the anti-dandruff remedy for the hair. Since dandruff afflicts most people, you take virgin coconut oil, you add some lime juice to it, fresh lime juice. You mix this well and you apply this mixture on your hair scalp and leave it on overnight and wash off the next day with a sulfate-free cleanser. And this will definitely help you get rid of dandruff within 2-3 washes. It's a very, very potent remedy, and lemon is an excellent antibacterial and anti-dandruff agent. It's antifungus, and any skin scalp infections you may have, including dandruff, it helps you get rid of that. But do not apply lemon directly on the scalp. Always mix it with a carrier oil like coconut and then apply it to your scalp.